now moving on to the next step, and the next step is so our last position was this. Both the knees are bent, hands are here. Okay. Now जो lyrics आते हैं बाद में आते हैं होते हैं त्योहार हैं. Okay. So it's just like an echo. 1, 2, 3 is going to be your step in त्योहार हैं. Okay. So आपको क्या करना है, अपना राइट लेग का जो टो है उसको आगे की तरफ रखना है, थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट साइड पे, देन हेयर एंड देन हेयर. ओके. अगेन त्योहार हैं. ओके. इसमें जो हैंड्स की मूवमेंट है वो आप कुछ भी रख सकते हो. इट्स ऑन यू. इफ यू हैव एनी फेवरेट मूवमेंट यू वांट टू डू इट, यू कैन डू दैट. बाकी मैंने जो वीडियो में किया है वो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. हेयर. ओके. सो इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ बीट. ओके. just like a vibration, or you can imagine it. It's like 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it's just like that in the video. So I'll do it again from here. त्योहार हैं. Okay. So guys, the next step is on the lyrics. कभी सुने हम अजान, कभी भजन गुनगुनाएं. Okay. So at the last step I was here. So my right leg will come up and will go down like this. Okay. Again from here 1, 2. So guys, ये जो है स्टेप, ये है उस वर्ड पे कभी. Okay. And what is my hands movement? My right hand will stay here. My left hand will come up like this and then pushes my right leg to go down. Okay. So आप समझ रहे होंगे, ऐसे में गया, my left hand will come up to push my right leg down. Okay. Again कभी. Okay. So again कभी. Okay. From here what's the next lyrics is सुने. So my hands will go like this, सुने, and my left leg will go down, सुने. So from the last step here कभी सुने. Okay. So now the next step is हम अजान. So my right leg will just swing back here like this. Okay. And my hands will go like this. हम अजान. Okay. So from here कभी सुने हम अजान. Now my left leg will swing back to the front. कभी भजन गुनगुनाएं. Okay. So it will come forward at कभी भजन. From here कभी भजन. Okay. And my hands just swing back like this to here. See, I hope you can see this. It's just like this. Okay. So from here हम अजान, कभी भजन, now गुनगुनाएं. Okay. So after गुनगुनाएं there is a music which I just did like this. Okay. You can try your step, but in the video I will teach you what I have done in the video. So I just go like this. Okay. Now the next step. Now the next step is quite easy. It's just Hindu Muslim. It's a beat. So the words are Hindu Muslim, Hindu Muslim. Okay. So it's just Hindu Muslim. Okay. That's it. Hindu Muslim. Now you just move forward with moving shoulders. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. So I'll show you. Hindu Muslim, Hindu Muslim. Okay. Guys, remember आपको ये स्टेप 2 बार करना है. I'll show you again. Hindu Muslim, Hindu Muslim. Okay. उसके बाद कंटिन्यूस म्यूजिक है, जैसे जो लिरिक्स है वो है हिंदू मुस्लिम, हिंदू मुस्लिम, हिंदू मुस्लिम. I'll skip that part because it's not the part of the dance or the video. You can skip it or you can do anything you want. I mean, like you can do you can add up some other steps, Hindu Muslim Hindu Muslim Hindu Muslim, something like that. और आप और भी कुछ कर सकते हैं, जैसा मैंने स्टेप किया है वो काफ़ी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा आपके लिए, जैसे हिंदू मुस्लिम हिंदू मुस्लिम हिंदू मुस्लिम, तो वो आपके लिए डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. तो इससे अच्छा आपको इजी स्टेप ऐड करो, जैसे कि मैंने एक फुटवर्क ट्यूटोरियल डाला है इसका, यू कैन ऐड अप. जब ये स्टेप क्लियर हो जाता है हिंदू मुस्लिम एंड देन it comes 2-3 times to the fast speed, but you have to do the next lyrics is Hindu Muslim bhai bhai kya bolte miyan bhai. Okay, so my legs are going to be like this, same as the initial position of the whole choreography. It's here. Okay, and my hand will go Hindu Muslim. Okay, now this next step is, just imagine anything, just twist here. Okay, or you can do this. Okay, like Gangnam style, huh? So it's something like that. You can just do it, and your hands, your legs will just swing. That's it. You just go a little down and then come up, down up. Okay, what I'm explaining right here right now is your leg will just go down and come up, down and up. Okay, again down and up, down and up. You just flow your body. Okay, it's just a freestyle. That's it. Okay, and your hands will go like this, bhai bhai. Okay, so Hindu Muslim bhai bhai. Now next step is 1 2, and with your hand movement, right heel left heel. Okay, 1 2. Okay, so Hindu Muslim bhai bhai kya bolte. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Again I'll do it for you. Hindu Muslim bhai bhai. Now kya bolte miyan bhai. This is the next step. So again for the next step it was freestyle, but your leg will go a little bit more down like this. Okay, and body will go towards the left side like this. Okay, miyan bhai. Okay, or you can do it like this, miyan bhai, or you can do it like this, miyan bhai. That is up to you, but leg position is a little bit more bent towards the right side, facing towards the left side and a little bit up. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, let's move on to the next step. The next step is your left leg and your entire body will go that side like this. You can practice it if you want to. Just left heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel and toe. Okay, this is the step. Hindu Muslim bhai bhai kya bolte miyan bhai. It again comes after that step. Okay, so it's like Hindu Muslim bhai bhai, then right leg kya bolte miyan bhai. Okay, and आपको करना क्या है, hand movement, anything. You can do this, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this. That's up to you. But leg movement is going to be a fix. Okay, and when you just shift from left to right, Hindu Muslim, what you need to do, जब आपका जो हील है वो फ्रंट में आएगा, आपको अपने दूसरे लेग के टो से हिट करना है फ्लोर को. ओके, जस्ट टैपिंग, 1 2 3 4, again 1 2 3 4. This is the step. Okay, I'm gonna do it with the lyrics. Hindu Muslim bhai bhai kya bolte miyan bhai. Okay, I hope you understand. Now moving on to the next step. So guys, the lyrics for the next step are Hindu Muslim bhai bhai kya bolte Hindu bhai. Okay, so for that my last position was here. From here what I have to do, मुझे अपना right leg को front में kick करना है like this. Okay, it should look like a kick, and जो आपका toe पे है left leg वो just straight हो जाएगा, there is no change in that. but what you have to do is to kick forward and just push yourself backwards. Okay, it should look like a kick, and then kick back. Now kick towards the left side here, and then back. So I hope you know the steps now for the leg. Hindu, Muslim, bhai, bhai. Okay. So the hand position for this step is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like running, 1, 2. So you can use it, or you can use your own hand movement as well. But what I have used in the video, I'll definitely teach you the exact same step. Okay. So I will do it again for you. Hindu, Muslim, bhai, bhai. क्या बोलते? Okay. मियाँ भाई. सो गाइज आपको करना क्या है, 1, 2, ये आपकी लास्ट पोजीशन है. इसके बाद आपने अपने लेग्स को आगे की तरफ लेके जाना है एक बार, देन बैक. लेफ्ट लेग यहीं रहेगा फिक्स फ्रॉम हेयर. ओके, 1, 2 एंड देन योर हैंड्स विल गो लाइक दिस. एक चीज याद रखना, जब आप लेग को आगे की तरफ ऐसे लेके जा रहे हो, यू कैन यूज योर हैंड्स हेयर. वेस्ट पे रखिए, and then when it reaches back, your hand should go here. मतलब जब आप लेग को यहाँ से यहाँ लेकर जाओ, आपके हैंड्स ऑलरेडी यहाँ पहुँच जाने चाहिए. ओके, सो फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस स्टेप, हिंदू, मुस्लिम, भाई भाई, क्या बोलते? मियाँ मियाँ भाई. ओके, सो अगेन, हिंदू, मुस्लिम, भाई भाई, क्या बोलते? नाउ it's just like Mia Bhai. Okay, so now guys, moving on to the next step, Mia Bhai. So the next step is, it's just Hindu, Muslim, Bhai Bhai. Okay, legs की movement वही रहेगी जहाँ से last position पे थी. What you need to do from here, just pull your shirt up, t-shirt or whatever you are wearing. Hindu, Muslim, bhai, bhai, and then I just move forward and then go in front of the camera. क्या बोलते? नेता भाई. So guys, this was the last step and I hope आपको ये वीडियो क्लियर हुआ होगा. एक स्टेप आपको समझ आया होगा. अगर कोई भी स्टेप आपको नहीं समझ आया है, टू कमेंट. उस स्टेप को मैं दोबारा से रिपीट करके दिखाऊंगा आपको कि, और आप पर्सनली मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पर, फेसबुक पर मैसेज करके पूछ सकते हैं कि अगर आपको कोई भी चीज़ समझ नहीं आई है या फिर आप कुछ रिकमेंड करना चाहते हैं इस वीडियो के लिए, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट. ओके, मिलते हैं गाइस अगली वीडियो में.